Want to drastically speed up your web design workflow in Elementor? Today I'm showing you how to use live copy-paste for fast, cross-site web design hacks in WordPress Elementor, updated for 2023. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to instantly copy sections, containers, and widgets between completely different websites, without any extra plugins. This simple trick is a game changer for anyone designing multiple sites or reusing layouts. Let's jump right in. The first thing to know is that this is a native Elementor feature for cross-site copy-paste. That means you don't need to install anything new. Elementor has this built in. Imagine having a beautiful pricing table or a custom contact form and wanting that same design on another site you manage. Instead of rebuilding from scratch, you can simply copy and paste. It's kind of like copying text between documents, but for web design elements. Before we get started, pause for a second to check the requirements. You'll need both the source and the destination website running at least Elementor version 3.11, including identical features enabled on both. So, for example, if your original site uses Flexbox containers for responsive layouts, make sure your second site has that feature switched on as well. Why does this matter? Matching versions and settings prevents any weird display issues or incompatibilities, so your pasted item will look and work just as you expect. If you're not sure about your Elementor version, you can quickly find it in the WordPress dashboard under Plugins. And if Flexbox containers are used, just double-check under Elementor settings. Now let's get to the actual copy. On the source site, find the section, container, or widget you want to transfer. If you're new to Elementor, the handle is that little square of dots at the top left of a section. Right-click it and in the menu select Copy. Take your time here, it's easy to accidentally click the wrong thing if you're in a rush. The great thing is, all the styling and content of that element are included, so you don't have to worry about restyling fonts, colors, or spacings. Then head over to your destination site. Open up Elementor and go to the spot where you want your copied piece to appear. Right-click into a container area. For example, you could add a blank section first if you're unsure where to put it and select Paste from Other Site. This is the crucial step that tells Elementor you're importing from an outside source, not just your own clipboard within the site. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking you to press Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or CMD+V for Mac. Go ahead and do that. This part might take a few moments, especially if you're pasting something larger like a complex section. Don't worry if it spins a little before it shows up. Elementor is pulling in everything, including design details and settings. And there you go. Your copied widget or section should appear styled and ready to be used on your new site. If it looks a bit off, double-check your feature settings or try refreshing the page. Most of the time, though, it's fast and flawless, saving you tons of manual work. So that's it for today's Elementor hack. Using live copy-paste to save massive time on your WordPress sites. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop any questions or tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating!